Welcome to Empowerment Nation, where we believe that mindfulness and self-awareness are the keys to living a fulfilled life. Today, we'll be discussing emotional meditation and how it can help you be present with your emotions. By the end of this video, you'll have practical steps to follow through to emotional meditation, which can transform your relationship with your emotions. So, let's get started. Step 1. Be aware of the emotion. Just be aware of the emotion without doing anything particular. There's no need to control, nor to create a good emotion, or to stop a bad emotion. You're just watching. Step 2. Recognize awareness. Recognize that awareness is more than an emotion, more than a thought. Awareness is like the sky. It accommodates clouds, different weathers, etc., right? It lets them come, lets them be, lets them dissolve. You can do the same thing. Step 3. Watch the emotion. When we watch emotions, then automatically, our awareness becomes bigger than emotions, bigger than sensations. There is space. If you can't see the emotion, when you look at it, the emotion disappears, great. There's a gap. This is open awareness. Step 4. Be with the gap. Be with the gap. Either case is okay. Therefore, now you've already made friends with emotions. Step 5. Start with a small emotion. You cannot make friends with strong or big emotions in the beginning, so start with a small emotion first. Remember, the practice of emotion meditation is about observing and accepting our emotions without judgment. By doing this, we can develop a better understanding of our emotions and our reactions to them, which can lead to greater emotional stability and resilience. Thank you for watching this video on emotion meditation. We hope that this practice will help you to develop a greater awareness of your emotions and ultimately lead to a happier, healthier, and more empowered life. Remember to subscribe to Empowerment Nation for more videos on personal growth, self-improvement, and empowerment. See you in the next video.